that differentiates Verisk from other models in the market is the wealth of Verisk data that has gone into the model update. Verisk has a dataset called UK buildings, and this contains information for every residential and commercial building in the UK. It contains data not just on the geocode of that structure or what the occupancy of that structure is, but also crucial things for flood modeling. Things like, is there a basement? And this kind of information is really what we used when developing the unknown functions for our UK and Ireland inland flood model. And so why is this important? Well, actually, a lot of users don't always have the information on whether property has a basement or not. And so the unknown assumptions are really quite key, especially as flood models can be quite sensitive to this. Another set of data that Verisk has is its 360 value product. And what this is a bottom-up way of estimating the replacement value of structures, from things like fixtures and fittings, to the interior, to the actual structure itself. And what we can use that information for is estimating what proportion of the overall value is attributed to each of those individual components. And that's important because those individual values are then weighted to give the vulnerability function of the actual structure. And so using that Verisk information from the 360 value helps us create more accurate vulnerability functions. And so in the end, Verisk now has thousands of different vulnerability functions that vary by occupancy and age and height and also where you are in the UK and Ireland.